Don't be saying that. Pick up the weapon with this X. Oh my fuck! I got hello, 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 hello. Long time no see. Can't even see my face. Today, I'm playing a new game. Oh shit. Alrighty. Welcome to Super Animal Royale. I'm just gonna download this game. I saw it on like the free playlist. I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna give it a try. Greetings, friend, and welcome to Super Animal World. As your humble governor, I invite you to use the left stick to explore the Welcome Center. Move quicker by losing the left trigger to jump roll. Wow. Fine jumping indeed, friend. Please stand by as the next giant eagle will arrive to carry you to the battlefield. Remember, this ain't no day at the zoo. On this island, you're either the last animal standing or you're dead duck. Yee! Oh man, I'm gonna switch hats real quick. I'm gonna put on this gross ass beanie. Shit, I think a girl is about to come over to play Monopoly with me or some shit. I don't even fucking know. Or like, or something like that. Yeah. I've had a very interesting day so far. I just got finished playing D&D. Oh shit, there it is. Welcome aboard the Giant Eagle Airlines flight. To your likely demise, use the D-pad to review our flight path. Up on the D-pad. You might want to get some distance. Close the map with the up on the D-pad. Up, D-pad up. Ready to go. Press X to jump. Yes, sir. Shit. Well, right here seems like a good spot. Yes. Try to land your weapon. Is this? Oh, the green shit's probably a weapon. Don't be saying that. Pick up the weapon with this X. Oh my fuck! I got Wow, I was the first one to fucking die. Shink, shink, shink. There's probably some really sweaty ass kids on this game. Oh, cool. It's got some music right here. Let's see if this guy's got a task. Oh, game started. Can I zoom in? No. Let's go to Giant Eagle's Landing. Or wherever there's a bunch of loot. Bunch of cool shit. Fuck. Is this a gun? Claw boots? Uh-oh. Holy shit. Motherfucker! Holy shit! This game's so hard. Motherfucker's dancing on me. Holy shit! This bitch is annoying, honestly. Not gonna lie. Sometimes they just don't know when to stop. Just leave people alone. You know? What's in there? You can chop tall grass with your melee weapon. How do I... Oh, no. Swap guns. No. That's how you dance. Triangle. A to reload. This to switch. Oh, hell yeah. Melee. Reload this gun. I saw somebody. A fucking bow? Big bullets. No! How? Holy shit! This game's so fucking hard. I keep dropping in the middle, so let me see what's over in the Saw Welcome Center. See if I find anything cool. Oh, what the fuck is that? Oh, a gun. I don't really know how to loot yet, so... Bandolier... What is that? Skunk bomb? No, I want the level 2 armor. Ooh! This one instead. Pick up the AK. Armor level 1. Pick up grenades. Skunk bomb. I don't really know what the skunk bomb does. Oh, get shit on. Get shit on. Swap anytime. Yeah, I'm alright. Got a good job. Let's see. Skunk bombs? No. Oh! Yo! Hey, yo! Oh, fuck. The hell is that, dude? Fuck. It's going so fast. Oh, fuck. If I die, I'm gonna be mad. If I die, I'm gonna be mad. Come on. Dude is so far. 10 health. It's a circle. Fuck! How? How am I supposed to know that? Motherfucker. Oh, fuck. If I die, I'm gonna be mad. If I die, I'm gonna be mad. Come on. Dude is so far. 10 health. It's a circle. Fuck! How? How am I supposed to know that? Motherfucker. The circle of life. Super Bear unlocked. What did I say about the sniper rifles? I didn't see that. Super Bear unlocked. What did I say about the sniper rifles? I didn't see that. I don't really know the tactics of this game. Not at all. Some more boxes to cut. I think most of this time spent in this game is in the fucking lobby. Honestly, this game looks pretty polished. It's not bad at all, actually. It's very cutesy battle royale. I don't know how the duck that's fire actually. I don't know how the fucking like health system works. I think you just pick it up or something maybe. Not too sure. I don't know how to use shit. I'm gonna drop up here. This farm looks pretty good. There's a lot of people. Oh, I thought I died. What is that? A deagle? I'm just gonna leave. I'm gonna take this instead. Walk near campfires to heal. Oh, I gotta go around. Nice. Keep that line of sight. So I gotta go this way. Oh my fuck. Pistol. Fuck. How do I heal? Meds. Armor, okay. Not bad. I'm pretty sure I could eat these mushrooms, maybe. Yes. Oh, it's hella mushrooms. Someone died over there. I fucking shot him! Stay hydrated. Gosh. Sometimes I hate my hair. Oh shit! Oh fuck. Pyramids. Holy shit. Pyramids are crazy. I mean, this area might do. AK. Skunk bomb. Better AK. Better bullet. Oh, a Kimbo. Woo-wee! Okay, so I heal by getting health, for sure. Level 2 is better. Woo! What? What? Motherfucker, how do you beat this shit? Motherfucker.